The search for Brian Laundrie continues. Some people are increasingly suspicious of his parents, many wondering what, if any, role they may have had in his disappearance. Could they end up facing charges? Fox 13's Josh Cassio live for us outside the Laundrie home in Northport. And you're hearing this, I'm sure, from neighbors and stuff. So is there the potential for anything legal for the parents?
You know, Cynthia, there's a lot of ifs, ands, or buts that come with that question. We know the Laundrie family has been pretty quiet through this whole thing, and a lot of people are using that to point blame at them. But a lot of legal experts are saying slow down on that, don't rush to judgment. Remember, there's still a lot of loose ends and unanswered questions in this case, especially publicly. Now, we did speak with Bjorn Brunvand. He's a local attorney. Tonight, he's telling people, again, slow down when it comes to attacking Brian's parents. He says just because they're staying quiet, that doesn't necessarily mean they did anything wrong. He says that could simply be the legal advice they're getting from their attorney. Now, if they're going to face charges, which of course is possible, it would likely come down to what did they know and when did they know it.
If they had an inkling, that's not enough for them to have any type of duty to report it. If they knew that the crime had taken place, if federal felony had taken place, then I believe under the misprision of a felony statute, they may have a duty to report the crime.
But again, we don't know what they knew. That'll be up to law enforcement and prosecutors to figure out. I want to show you this as well. That's Terry DeCesso from Parrish. That's about an hour away from here. She came to the Laundrie family home today to put up signs with Gabby's face on it. She, like many people, has been captivated by this case and wants to know who has information and wants those people to come forward. She says if the Laundrie parents know anything, she says now is the time to speak up. And you know, if nothing else, it kind of really goes to show how this case is touching people here, across the state, across the country as well. Everyone just waiting on pins and needles for resolution in this case. Hasn't come yet. We're just gonna have to keep waiting. As soon as we hear more, though, we'll let you know.
Yeah, I think so many people who are parents, you know, are just so upset by this whole situation and just, you know, all the little details of it. So let's hope they get a break soon, Josh. Thank you.